J. J. Heart. J. Heart green. J. Heart green. Y. J. Heart green. Y. Round 5. Ravenous light, mana E, blue E, white, yellow E, ravenous E, by, yellow, omega, smiley face, well called, light, lenda, by, snow, massive, ray, violet, red, G, the well called, Oregon.
Oh, it broke. That's no fun. For doing such a splendid job, Mommy has decided to give you part of the code for the train. Look on. Mommy was hoping the game could last a little longer. It's okay though. Mommy knows other ways to play with you.
fantastic! Who gave you permission to be this smart? Mommy is super proud of you, but I'm sure she's already told you that herself. Our next game is Whack-A-Wuggy. Head downstairs and have fun.
Welcome to Whack-A-Wuggy. This advanced test is designed to assess the extent of your reactionary abilities. A dual palm grab pack will be provided to you for this test. Around you are 18 sizable holes. An adorable Huggy Wuggy toy could appear out of any one of these holes. If one comes out, hit it with your grab pack. That's all. Good luck.
The toys in this game used to have strings attached to them so they could be pulled back when they got too close to the children. Have fun. Oh, you did it. Hooray! Mommy is so proud of you. Here, Mommy has another hint for you. Only one game left to play. Sad. Mommy was hoping you'd stay here forever. Though, it's never too late to change your mind.
my ape arse realised that I left me bloody wallet in the cafeteria. So I'm running through the lobby, and that's when I see a map handle lodged under the innovation room.
So what'd you do?
Well, I just thought I'd nab the bloody yokabi on me merry way. Well, I'm reaching for the thing, and the map handle jolts on its own. Had me scared stiff. I thought I was the only one there. So, I took a peek beneath the gate, and some massive bloody thing was doddering about the bloody hallway.
Thing? You're sure it wasn't a person?
Ain't no person that's 50 feet long with 1,000 legs.
Marcus, you're losing. Maybe you just saw a bunch of people walking by.
Look, it wasn't people, alright? I happen to bloody notion what it was, but it wasn't human.
Who have you told about this? Besides me, obviously.
Just you, sir. Obviously.
Okay. I'll have security skim the cameras and take a look.
What? There's a massive bloody monster! Skimming ain't gonna get rid of it!
You're out of line, Marcus. We make toys, not monsters. Come on, get out of my sight. Actually, grab me a coffee, will you? Actually, never mind. Get out of my sight.
Before. You're so good! Seems like you're ready for the final game, Statues! Follow Mommy down the stairs one last time. I hope you had a fun day at the game station. See you next time!
Welcome to Statues. This advanced obstacle course is designed to test your physical endurance and strength. The rules are simple. The lights will turn off. You can move through the obstacle course at this time. However, when the lights turn on, you can look around but cannot move. You may move again once the lights turn back off. The lovable PJ Pugapillar will follow you. If PJ reaches you, your test is over. That's all. Good luck.
It was always so sad to see the kids go. They called me Mommy because I was the closest thing they ever had to one. But they'd come for games and never come back. They left Mommy to die alone. Mommy didn't deserve that. But you work here. So if anyone deserves to die alone, it's you.